Knob Creek is what bourbon was supposed to be all along. Recently, I was able to travel to Kentucky and be a guest of both the Knob Creek Distillery and the Jim Beam Distillery. The first morning I was there, we traveled out into the hills behind the distillery. Hundreds and hundreds of warehouses just filled with bourbon. And then the fun really began. I found one bourbon to really jump out and be my favorite. It had classic Knob Creek whiskey. Caramel, malty, earthy notes with that underlying sweet corn flavors. But this one had a real unique spice, a little heat, a little kick that was unlike anything else I had had. They bottled this bourbon with Premier's logo and name on it as Knob Creek Premier's own single barrel bourbon. You can only get it here at Premier, and once it's gone, it's gone.